Welcome to the WordPress and Divi theme beginner course. My name is Sabelo September. I run a web design and SEO agency serving local businesses in South Africa. I created this course for entrepreneurs doing their own marketing, agency owners, or freelancers who want to start a web design business and earn an income online. In this course, you will learn to build stunning websites in WordPress with the power of the Divi theme. We won't be using any pre-made layouts. This is to ensure that you can develop web pages from scratch. These are the 3 website projects that we will develop together, and you can use these in your portfolio. What you need to follow along: 1, you will need a Divi license. If you don't have one, you can go to elegantthemes.com or download the PDF attached for any links you will need in this course. You won't be needing any domain or hosting, as we will be using a free local hosting. So why Divi theme? Divi is the most popular WordPress page builder with a growing community. With Divi, you can build professional website projects without any coding skills. It's super affordable and also has a lifetime plan, unlike its competitors. Divi also comes with thousands of pre-made layouts to build your projects faster. Comes with the built-in AI assistance for content creation and building pages. By the end of this course, you will be confident enough to build your own website, launch your freelance career, or start an agency developing website for clients. Awesome, right? And remember, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee just in case you don't like the course. The course will be updated over time to answer student requests, so feel free to send me a private message if you have any questions. Are you ready? Let's get started.